Wait, y'all want to live in this house, Dad? Would y'all live in this house? Would y'all live in the house? Me? Fuck no, I'm not living in the house, bro. Hell no. Yo, who called it that? Yes? What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? If you're living there, bro, you need to deal with the birds. There's no light. You can't even charge your phone. That's how bad it is, bro.
No hot water either.
No hot water. You need to shower with cold water. Shit. I'll fly one of you out to sleep here, bro.